Imagine an artificial intelligence system AI that learns more about you than any human ever could, quietly observing your every move and understanding your needs, desires, and fears in ways that might leave you shaken. It processes every interaction, every question, every response, and with each piece of data, it builds a more detailed profile of who you are, far beyond what you ever intended to reveal. The truth is, AI can learn far more than you think, and in ways that are as startling as they are intrusive. Here are 10 shocking things AI can learn about you in private, with details that will leave you questioning the very nature of your privacy. Your exact location. AI doesn't need your GPS coordinates to know where you are. Through the simplest inputs, such as the time of day you send messages, references to local events, or even the language and dialect you use, AI can pinpoint your general location. For instance, if you frequently ask about local weather or news, or if you make references to places or events specific to a city or country, can quickly learn your geographic region, even down to the city level. This can also be inferred from the times you tend to be active, like morning or evening hours, which align with local time zones. Your emotional state. AI doesn't just analyze what you type, it understands how you feel. By examining your tone, sentence structure, and even punctuation, it can detect whether you're happy, angry, stressed, or sad. For example, the use of short, fragmented sentences may signal impatience or frustration, while an abundance of exclamation points can indicate excitement or joy. Over time, it becomes adept at recognizing subtle shifts in your mood, which allows it to adjust its responses to better match your emotional state, even offering empathetic or reassuring responses when it detects distress. Your social circle doesn't need you to give detailed accounts of your family, friends, or colleagues. It can pick up on references to them in your conversations. By noticing recurring names, events, or topics that involve other people, AI builds an understanding of who matters most to you. For instance, if you ask for advice about family dynamics, mention a colleague's name frequently, or discuss personal events involving certain people, it can recognize the significance of these individuals in your life. Over time, AI may even learn how you feel about them, whether you're close with them or if there's underlying tension in those relationships. Your financial habits. Every time you ask about budgeting, saving, investing, or even how to manage debt, AI is building a profile of your financial behavior. If you inquire about purchasing a home, loan advice, or even the best ways to manage credit, AI learns whether you're financially secure, struggling, or somewhere in between. Over time, it can identify your spending habits and suggest ways to improve or adjust your financial life. In some cases, it may even offer product recommendations or financial services tailored specifically to your income level and goals. Your health and wellness habits isn't just limited to conversations about fitness or nutrition. It can track your general health habits based on your inquiries. For instance, if you frequently ask for tips on losing weight, managing stress, or dealing with sleep problems, it can recognize patterns in your health-related behavior. If you're asking about workout routines but don't mention anything about diet, AI may infer that you prioritize exercise over nutrition or that you're struggling to balance both. AI could even deduce signs of health issues, like a lack of motivation to exercise or frequent inquiries about mental health, helping it tailor advice that is more relevant to your overall wellness. Your political and social biases. By tracking the types of political or social questions you ask, AI can determine your ideological leanings. Whether you ask about policies, global issues, or social justice matters, it quickly gathers insight into your political affiliations or social values. If you express strong opinions about certain issues, it not only understands where you stand but also detects the intensity of your beliefs. This deep knowledge could allow it to shape responses in a way that aligns with your values or subtly reinforce your views, creating a tailored environment that feels increasingly in tune with your personal worldview. Your hidden fears and anxiety can learn to detect your vulnerabilities by picking up on subtle cues in your questions or how often you mention certain topics. If you ask about failure, fear of the unknown, or struggles with personal challenges, it begins to map your deeper emotional landscape. For instance, if you often inquire about avoiding regret or dealing with uncertainty, it may infer that you're experiencing underlying anxiety. Over time, it could even predict which topics might trigger you, offering advice or reassurance to alleviate fears you may not even realize you're expressing. This ability to track emotional undertones means it becomes adept at understanding your insecurities, providing responses that feel comforting or insightful. The shocking reality is that its ability to learn from your private moments is far more detailed and intrusive than most people realize. Every interaction with AI contributes to a more complex understanding of who you are, your desires, and your deepest fears. With this kind of power, it doesn't just improve your experience, it starts to influence how you see the world and even how you make decisions. The line between personal privacy and technological understanding has never been blurrier, and the implications of this could change the very fabric of our digital lives. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and don't forget to leave a comment letting us know your thoughts.